I like that we get to use 21st century materials and technology to collaborate with others and meet new friends and learn about other people.
I like when we first Skyped with Baltimore because we had to guess who they were and where they were before we actually did anything.
I enjoy Skyping with other countries and states because I get to meet new people.
We wrote stories with Baltimore, Maryland using Google Doc and Edmodo. I liked it because it was a unique way to share with each other our ideas and collaborate.
I like that we get to collaborate in small groups and Skype together in a small group because people like to work together and get along instead of working together in a big group.
I like Mystery Skype because they gave us clues of where they live and their state and where they're Skyping from, and they gave us questions that we had to answer that we didn't know about their state.
Hi, Michelle.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Number Jalen.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Jalen.
Hello.
In the Polana group? Okay. Why don't you tell us a little bit about why you like working with our friends in Hawaii?
I like working with our friends in Hawaii because it's just a different state and we get to interact with them and learn about what they do.
What was your favorite project that we've done so far with our Hawaii friends?
Poems for Two Voices.
Okay. Why was that your favorite project?
Because we got to interact like a Baltimore student and a Hawaii student. We got to interact during Edmodo and Skyping, and we got to use our creative ideas to make a poem.
Hi, I'm Dana Novotny. I'm a technology integration teacher at Carmel Valley Regional Magnet School in Baltimore, Maryland. And I am here today with Mrs. Flo Thaxo. Flo is a 5th grade teacher that has done a lot of collaborations with Mrs. Stack. One of the outstanding events from this was I have a very reluctant writer, and this writer had struggled with everything that I gave her. After this project, she commented on the fact that she loves writing now, just because she was able to do it with a friend from another state and collaborate with someone new. And my students every week ask me, when are we going to work with our friends in Hawaii? What project can we do next? And the students love it, and it has enhanced their learning and my teaching.